In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to a video in Kapwing. Whether you're looking to enhance your video with a creative touch or simply want to make it pop, Kapwing makes it straightforward to apply filters and adjust the aesthetic of your footage. Let's dive in and see how you can achieve this with ease. First, let's head over to Kapwing's official website. This platform is a great resource for video editing, allowing you to create more content in less time due to its user-friendly interface and a myriad of tools available right at your fingertips. Once you're on the home page, the first step is to sign in to your account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This will direct you to a new page where you can log in using various methods. For a seamless experience, let's opt to sign in using Google. Click on the option that says Sign In with Google. Now you'll be prompted to choose your Google account from a list. Simply click on your account and voila! You should be logged into Kapwing in just a few seconds. Easy, right? Once signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all your current projects are displayed. Go ahead and click on the project that you wish to edit. This will open up the project details where you can manage and edit your video files with precision. In this project menu, locate the specific video clip that you want to work on. Simply click on the clip to open it in the editing studio. This is where the magic happens. You'll find an array of editing tools here, but for today's purpose, let's focus on filters. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see a panel called the Filters tab. Click on it and a variety of filter options will be presented to you. Each filter can offer a unique look and feel to your video, so take some time to explore the options available. You might find one that adds just the right touch of creativity or mood to your clip. Once you've found the filter that suits your video, click on it to apply. Instantly, you'll see how your video transforms with the selected filter. It's that simple and quick. You can always preview the changes and revert back if necessary, giving you the flexibility to ensure your video looks exactly how you want it. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to applying filters to your video in Kapwing. This process not only enhances the visual appeal of your content, but also makes your videos more engaging for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with the diverse filters available on Kapwing to elevate your video projects.